Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to change watchlist style in Capital.com. If you want to customize your watchlist style on Capital.com, first of all, open the Capital.com application on your mobile device or a desktop and log into your trading account first. Once you're in the home page of Capital.com, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left and then click on Settings from the menu. Inside Settings, tap on Watchlist Style. Now you will be able to see different watch styles displayed on the screen. Go ahead and select the style that you'd like to use for your account and click on Apply at the bottom. Right after you do that, you can go back to the Watchlist tab and see that you have successfully changed your style. Keep customizing your view for better trading insights, and that way you have successfully changed your watchlist style on Capital.com. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.